In the heart of the jungle, a powerful roar once echoed, bringing joy and unity to the animals. One day, Leo's roar vanished, leaving him puzzled and worried, as silence enveloped the once vibrant jungle. Dim the snake, envious of Leo's powerful roar, hatched a sneaky plan to claim it as his own, seeking dominance in the jungle. Seeking help, Leo turned to his loyal and diverse friends, each offering their unique strengths and unwavering support in his time of need. Together they ventured into the unknown, their bond growing stronger with each step as they searched for the source of Leo's lost roar. Confronted by Leo and the united animals, Dim squirmed uneasily, his deceitful intentions laid bare before their unwavering gazes. With cunning words and heartfelt sincerity, Leo appealed to Dim's better nature, urging him to understand the beauty of unity over selfish ambition. Touched by Leo's words, Dim relinquished the stolen roar, a shimmer of remorse softening his gaze as harmony and balance were restored to the jungle. As Leo's powerful roar resonated once more, the jungle reverberated with the melody of unity and collaboration, a testament to the strength found in diversity and the beauty of sharing strengths.